Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload the lengthy video to your Instagram account from your computer. So let me show you how to do it. Here I am going to upload one lengthy video to my Instagram account. That video I saved on my computer and the size is 628 MB and the length is if you open and you can see 24 minutes. Now let us see how to upload this video to my Instagram. For that, just log into Instagram account. There you can see plus button, just click on it and it will open create new post. Just click on select from computer and select the file from the location. Click open. Now it's uploading and here you can see the one button. You can choose the size from there. Many type of size available. After that, click next. Here you can choose the cover photo from your computer and I saved on cover photo. For that, select that one. You can trim your video from here and you can enable or disable the video sound. Click next and you can put the video title here. After that, click on share. Now the video is uploading. Now the upload is completed and the video is posted to Instagram. And if you go to the Instagram page, there you can see the video is posted. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.